Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and in today's video you are going to learn how to create this simple 3D logo in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to hit on the subscribe. So without being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create this 3D simple logo in CorelDRAW. First thing you need to do is to go to your toolbar right here, click and hold down, and make sure you choose your ellipse or circle. You can come to the workspace and make your circle, and then the next thing you need to do is to go to circle property from the top right here. So at the point here, make sure you type in 1234.0, and for the height, make sure you type in 1108.0, and you press enter key on your keyboard. So you're going to have stuff like this. Okay, so you can select on the circle and press P to centralize. You are going to have something like this. So next thing you need to do is to make a duplicate of this circle. Just press Ctrl Z to make a copy, and you press Ctrl V to paste. So the duplicate one right here, you need to adjust the circle size. So you have to come to the width. So make sure you type in 726.85 for the width. Then the height, make sure you type in 652.63. Then you press enter on your keyboard. So you are going to have stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to make a duplicate of this circle. Press Ctrl C to make a copy, and press Ctrl V to paste. Then the next thing you need to do is to press Shift key and select the big circle and press letter T on your keyboard. This allows you to snap to the top. Next thing you need to do is to fall back to the center circle, the smaller center circle. Press Ctrl C again to make a copy, then Ctrl V to paste. Then you have to press Shift key again and select the larger circle. This time around, you press letter B on your keyboard. This allows you to align to the bottom center. Next thing you need to do is to fall back to the inner circle again. Press Ctrl C to make a copy, and Ctrl V to paste. The next thing you need to do is to press Shift key and select the larger circle and press letter R. This allows you to align to the right side center. The next thing you need to do is to fall back to the center circle again and press Ctrl C to make a copy. Then you press Ctrl V to paste, and you press Shift key on your keyboard and select the larger circle and press letter L. This allows you to align to the left side center. Alright, so next thing you need to do at this point here is to come to the toolbar right here, click and hold down, and make sure you choose your virtual segment delete. Then you have to come to the artwork workspace, press hotkey on your keyboard and drag. This allows you to connect this point here and this point this way. Boom. So you are going to have stuff like this. Then you have to come down from the bottom right here this way. You have to press hotkey on your keyboard, and you cut this place and connect this place this way and this way. So you're going to have stuff like this. Then you have to come to the top right here also, press hotkey on your keyboard and drag this way and this way and this way. So you're going to have stuff like this. So next thing you need to do is to come to your toolbar, come down below right here, click and hold down. So this time around, you have to choose your smart fill. So having choose your smart fill, you have to fill this point here and this place and this place. Finally, you have to press Shift key and select each of the logo shape, and you drag it out. So at this point here, you have to come down below here and right click on this point here. This allows you to remove stroke. Then you have to come to the home tab right here and make sure you group, or you press Ctrl J on your keyboard to group. Next thing you need to do is to select on all these logo shape and press delete key on your keyboard. So you have to fall back to the main logo shape and select on that and press P to centralize. You can press Shift key and drag. This allows you to resize your logo shape. Then you have to come to the home tab right here again and make sure you ungroup all the objects. So at this point here, you need to fill your logo with appropriate color. So for you to do that, you just have to come down below right here. Click and hold down. This time around, make sure you choose interactive fill. Having chosen interactive fill, make sure you come to the top right here and make sure you select fontaine. And you make sure you hit on OK and select the particular shape. Select the logo shape and make sure you hit on fontaine. At this point here, I'm going to copy an existing color. I'm going to make use of copy fill and I'm going to fill it with this appropriate color right here. So I'm going to select the second shape right here and copy fill. I'm going to fill it with this. Good. I'm going to select this one also and copy fill. So I'm going to fill with this. Good. So finally, I have to select all the logo shape. Once you select all the logo shape, you have to come to the home tab right here and make sure you group. You can press shift key and increase the logo size a little bit. This depends on exactly what you are looking for. Next thing you want to do is to click once on the logo shape. This allows you to have a rotation pane. Come to the top right here. From the angle degree, make the logo angle degree 30 degree. And you press enter on your keyboard. 30 degree. Then enter on your keyboard. So you're going to have stuff like this. Next thing you want to do right here is to come to the toolbar right here. This time around, you have to click and hold down and make sure you choose your ellipse. And you can draw a circle at the bottom of the logo. Then come down below here and make sure you fill it with black color. Then come back to your tools right here. Make sure you choose transparent. Having choose transparent, make sure you choose fontaine. From fontaine, make sure you choose radial. So at this point here, you are going to have stuff like this. Then you can take it at the bottom of the logo shape. Then press shift key and select the logo shape and press letter C. This allows you to have a proper alignment. You can select on the logo shape, double click on the logo shape and still rotate more a little bit. So you can as well press shift key on your keyboard to increase the logo size. Then press shift key and select the drop shadow of the logo and press letter C for your proper alignment. So you can press Ctrl J to group everything. Finally, you have to come to the toolbar right here, double click on the rectangle to make a page border. So at this point here, you have to fill it with a gray color. Then you can come down below right here to remove stroke. You can fall back on the logo shape right here. And we double click. This allows us to have a rotation pane. Then you can adjust the logo style this way. And you can select everything again. And press shift key on your keyboard and resize the logo shape. So this is how you make this simple 3D logo in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this in CorelDRAW. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.
How it's supposed to feel.